guys, today it's Royal Icing cookies again, and today's video is the second video, and in today's video I'm gonna show you some beautiful designs. I call them dot designs. I don't know how they are called, but every design is made with a dot, or it starts with a dot, and these are wet on wet designs, and they're really simple and quick to make, but they're still really beautiful. Let's get started with the tutorial. You want to start by piping the outline first. And then after that, you want to flood the whole cookie with a thick layer of icing and fill any gaps if you have any gaps. Then if you have any uneven spots, then you can fix those with a wooden skewer right after flooding the cookie. Then lift the cookie carefully and shake it to smoothen the icing. Then you want to take an icing of another color and pipe some dots on the still wet icing. So with these designs, it's really important to make the design right after you have flooded the cookie. To make the heart design, you want to pull the base icing. So here the yellow icing with a wooden skewer through the dot to make the design. And after making each of these hearts, you want to clean the wooden skewer so that you don't mix the colors where not intended. To make the flower design, you want to make 4 dots like I'm showing here on the video, and then you want to pull the icing from the dot. So I want to put the wooden skewer into the dot and pull the icing inside the 4 dots. And here it's also important to clean the wooden skewer after each time you pull the icing. And then if you want, you can also make some dots like I'm showing here around the flowers. So I think these are really simple designs. They don't require any special skills. So you just want to cover the cookie with the icing, and then you just make the designs right away. So the icing needs to be really wet in order for you to make the designs, but that's the only thing you really need to pay attention to. And apart from that, it's really simple, or all of these 3 designs are really simple and easy to make. I hope you enjoyed these beginner-friendly designs, and as I said, this is the second video of my 3 royal icing videos, and the next video is gonna be again about decorating cookies, and the next designs will be this kind of line designs, or I call them line designs, and I find these designs really beautiful. They're also really simple to make, and they are also made with the same royal icing consistency. If you like this tutorial and if you found it helpful, don't forget the thumbs up for support. And also, if you're new to my channel and you don't want to miss that next video on the beautiful line designs, then you want to subscribe right now, and don't forget to tap the bell so you won't miss any of those new videos. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.